What's up everyone, it's me again. I'm gonna be talking about things I just got, and one of them is this Peak leash. This is Peak from Kickstarter. You know, they create bags, they create that clip and everything else. So this is what they have. Is it focusing? Yeah, those clips for the camera. I got the leash, which is so soft. I'm gonna link the unboxing now. What do we have here? We have the Peak Design Leash Camera Strap. What is it all about? Let's open it up. Nice packaging. Has adapters, leash adapts. That's cool. So how do you open this? Oh, here. I love opening boxes. Ooh. Oh, it has a case. That's cool. So what's in the box is this Peak Design case. It has all the instruction manuals. Oh, it has a sticker. Woo wee! Yeah, boy. Instruction manual. Has a good. Oh, what's this? This one more. Oh, it has an extra anchor. Only one? What the? Anyway. So here's the strap itself. Let's open it up. So, yep. Oh man, it's a lot of strapping around. I don't want to break things, so I have to open them carefully. So here it is. So here's the strap. I need a white background or something. What's written there. So here's the strap. It's made of soft, really soft material. It's like a ribbon or something. It's really soft. Damn. This is the strap itself. And how you use it is you have these small clips, binders. Just goes there and clips onto your camera. And the good thing is you can keep them, put them in the case, and you can hide it. So yeah, this is the Peak Design Leash Camera Strap. It's so smooth. I wonder if it's that strong, but it's really so smooth. Let's see this. Awesome. So you can say nothing more about it. It's just a good strap. So I'm back. So apparently how you use it, let's try it on this 5D Mark III. I'm really OC on how you put these things in. So this is, you can buy more of these this anchors. Shit, it's not going through. Here you go. Okay. Put it around so it's not that noisy. And then goes there, locks in place. Awesome. Looks good. Let's place the other one. Just realized the other clamp was there. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, here it is. So it's just done this way. You can see, and just clip the circle there. They call it the anchors. Clip it there, and you see you can hang your camera there. Okay, I'm gonna clip the other one. So there it is. It's the geek leash. It's so soft. I find it funny. So just put it this way. Have your camera there. Throw it anywhere. And also you can use one of those anchors over here, and you can tie it up like that, and yeah, you can do a lot of things with it. It's on the box, but yeah, I'm just gonna use it for this way, so I'm just gonna show it to you. I'm using it for this. It's not gonna fall. If you're gonna run, I do a lot of outdoor stuff, and I just run around with my camera like that, so it doesn't fall off. But if you want to take it off, just press the circle, slide it out, it's off the camera. So I can use it for filming, and then clip it. So that's how it goes. So I just throw it everywhere. I just run. Yeah, that's how my Mark III goes. If this is gonna fall, I'm gonna die. So yeah, that's how good it is. So thick, so nice. I just did that to my camera. So, yep. This is the case. Okay. So you just roll this over like that, just like a good boy. Roll it like that. Put it inside here. And there. That's your strap. Awesome! So, since I have this peak, and I'm starting to like this peak strap or leash, or what do you call it? Camera, sling, whatever. Okay, since I'm liking this one here, I'm offloading some of my gears. I like it because I can use this for videography. I can remove this strap and voila, it's free right away. So just because of that, I'll be giving, no, I won't be giving away. I'll be selling out these Joby straps that I have. They're really good. They're removable. You can use this for strap as your camera, and you can use this to hold your camera that way. Like it's gonna be like this. Okay? So you can use it. I have a sample here. This is my eoshd. I'm still using one of them. I still have heaps of this strap. So this is a really good strap. Good thing about it is also you can remove the strap there, remove it here, and then you can use this part as your leash. So yeah, I have heaps of these straps that I won't be using, and I'm offloading them. So I'm selling them quite cheaper than normal. They're not really used up. I'm gonna sell out. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna offload the ones that were not really used, and like those from my film cameras. These straps here. So if you're keen, if you want one, if you're interested, I'll be selling them off, offloading them, really in good condition because I take care of my gears. Well, some of my gears. I don't take care of my 5D Mark III because it's built for the outdoors. Okay, so let me just keep this. Okay, so here it is. Here's the strap. If you're interested, if you're keen, send me a message. I might give you a discount. I might give you freebies. I don't know. I might come up with something, or even if you give me a good proposition, I might give it to you for free. So yeah, so just hit me up with this strap. Oh, by the way, this is not included with strap, but I like these red things from Think Tank. I can make one of these though. DIYs. So organized. That's it.